I built an entire computer case out of Corsair case fans, 36 to be exact, but how exactly did I achieve this monstrosity? Well, I started off by fixing the fans together with a metal fixing strip that I found, and this is the bottom panel all set to intake with 9 fans, which brings in loads of air. Then I glued little motherboard standoffs onto the bottom so I could eventually mount the motherboard, but before I did that I needed to mount some of the side panels as well, so I had room to then put the motherboard on, which was a case of then just screwing it onto the standoffs nice and secure. Then I put more side panels on as well. Once that was done, I could move on to the PSU, which looks incredibly janky, but in the end it was actually fairly secure. Then I could put all the PSU cables in, so the CPU cable, the motherboard cable, and this was then the fan hubs that I had. I wanted to space them out a bit so the cable management wasn't too messy, because obviously having 36 fan cables was a complete mess, but you can see me there plugging them in, and it worked fairly well. And that's the final effect with everything running. It worked fairly well, and I'm actually really happy with this build. It's got low temperatures and it looks pretty cool in my opinion.